Hello everyone, my name is Pawan and I am working as a software tester at Bytive Technology. Welcome back to my manual testing learning series. In day 7 we discuss what is a test case, and today day 8 we are going to learn another important topic, how to be write a test case. This is one of the most important skill for every manual tester, because proper test case is a help ensure the software quality and reduce a defect in applications. So let's understand a practical understanding. Before writing a test case, first we need to understand the requirement clarity. Today, let's assume we are testing a e-com website or login page. We will learn how to identify the scenario, how to write a practical test cases, and how to create a proper testing document. Next is understand the requirement. Before writing any test cases, tester should understand the what functionality is expected, what validations are required, and what error should be appear. For example, a successful login should happen when the user enter the registered email and enter the correct password, and error message should be appear when email format is invalid, password is incorrect, and input field is empty. Requirement understand is a first most important step in the test case writing. Now let moving writing a test scenario. After understand the requirement and scenario, writing a test scenario. A test scenario is a high level functionality in that need to the testing. For login page, some common scenario are login with valid credentials, login with invalid credentials, login with unregistered email, and login with empty field. Verify the password making and verify the forget password functionality. These scenarios help us test the coverage both positive and negative test cases. Now let's understand first example, writing a detailed test case. Now let writing the first detailed test case ID scenario. Verify the login with valid credentials steps. Open the app or website. Enter the valid email or username. Enter the valid password. And click login button. Expected result. User should redirect successful dashboard. If actual result is match the expected result, the test case will be make pass. Negative test cases. Now let's understand negative test cases. Test case ID login 002 test case, and scenario is verify the invalid password. Enter the valid email ID or username. Enter the wrong password and click login. Expected results. System should display the error message. Invalid credentials. Negative test case is important because it's validate the system and behave for the incorrect inputs. Next is a validation test case. Another important scenario is empty field validations. Verify the login with empty field. Keep email or username field blank. Keep uh, password field is blank and click login. Expected result. The validation message should be appear. Validation message should be appear, and tester ensure the user uh, cannot proceed with the incomplete data. Now we are moving for next tips of good write test case. Now let's discuss some important tips. Always cover positive and negative scenario. Keep test steps simple and clear. Avoid the unnecessary complexities, including boundary and validation. Write a concise and reusable test case. Think for end user perspective. And last one, these practice improve the testing quality and execution efficiency. Now moving real project advice. In real project, before writing a test case, discuss a doubt with business analyst and review the SRS document and carefully attach requirement and walk through the meeting. Identify the edge case and early. These help a tester to avoid a missing important scenario during the testing. Common mistake while the writing a test case. Now let's understand the some mistake the tester should avoid. Writing unclear steps, missing expected result, ignore the negative scenario, and using a confusing language, and not update old test case, and avoid the mistake, improve the document quality. Tools basically you use for the test case management, like Excel, Google Sheet, Jira, TestLE, and these tools are teams manage the organize and track the testing activity and effectively. So today we are learn the how the understand the requirement and the how to the identify the test scenario, how to write a detailed test case, and positive negative test case examples, and best practice practice writing a good test case. I hope this video is help you to understand the concept in simple and practical way. Thank you.